Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we begin at Florida Mile 242.9 as we enter Tequesta. US-1 is a 4-lane arterial with frequent turn lanes and sidewalks serving a compact village center. Tequesta had a population of 6,118 according to the 2019-2023 American Community Survey, and the village name honors the indigenous Tequesta people of South Florida. The village incorporated in 1957 during the build-out of Tequesta Country Club neighborhoods. Just off US-1 on Tequesta Drive is the Lighthouse Art Center, a gallery and school founded in 1964 that anchors exhibitions, classes, and community programs. Tequesta also marks the northern edge of the Miami metropolitan area. We first entered that metro when we left the Keys for the mainland, and after 21 videos and nearly 145 miles, it feels like a major milestone to reach its far end. Crossing County Line Road, we enter Martin County. We encounter a light rain shower, but it'll soon pass. US-1 transitions to a more rural feel with fewer landscape medians, wider clear zones, and longer gaps between signals. Martin County has about 163,000 residents, with a median household income around $80,700 and a median home value in the high 300s. The Florida East Coast Railway runs adjacent to Dixie Highway a block or two to the east as we roll toward Hobe Sound. We enter Hobe Sound, and US-1 takes the local name Southeast Federal Highway. Hobe Sound had 14,313 residents as of the 2019 to 2023 ACS, with a median household income of $63,233 and a median home value around $323,700. The name traces to a Yega village, recorded by Spaniards as Hobe with a J, later anglicized to Hobe with an H. Each winter, the Hobe Sound Festival of the Arts brings juried painters, sculptors, glass artists, wood carvers, and jewelers to a 2-day street show along Dixie Highway south of Bridge Road, produced with the Hobe Sound Chamber of Commerce and drawing large crowds from across the Treasure Coast. At County Road 708, Southeast Bridge Road, this is the community's main east-west route. Turning right, Bridge Road crosses the Intracoastal on the Hobe Sound Bascule Drawbridge to Jupiter Island and A1A at the beach. The movable span provides 21 feet of clearance when closed and opens on request. Turning left, Bridge Road heads inland to I-95 at exit 96 with connections towards State Road 710. We continue on Southeast Federal Highway through the last stretch of Hobe Sound with coordinated signals, neighborhood plazas, and frequent turn bays. We conclude today's video at mile 255.5. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.